In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit and withdraw on EHA Markets app. So EHA Markets is actually a market or a trading app you should be able to see right here. So from in there, you can see its guide. So you can register, log in, and open an account directly. So just visit the official EHA Markets website and then sign up, enter your personal details, agree to the terms and conditions, verify your email, and upload identity documents and proof of residence for KYC verification. So to open a trading account, you just need to log into your verified account, go to the open account and select your preferred account type. Provide financial background details, accept risk disclosures, and your new account should be able to appear. Now, if you want to actually deposit, you can head over and do so by seeing right here the account types, and you can see right here the minimum deposit for those account types as well. So head over and then you should be able to see right here this. So just choose a value that you want to use. Now, go to the deposit or withdrawal section, choose your preferred method, enter the amount and confirm the request, and you should be able to fund your account and withdraw if necessary. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.